All right, class. So today we'll be talking about simple equations. Very simple equation. So we have minus 30b equals 15. This is an equation. So what do? We want to solve for b. We are looking for b. So, but as you can see, minus 30 is attached to b. So what do? We want to remove minus 30. So how do we remove minus 30? So what we do is we try to divide this equation by 30, by minus 30. Remember, I want to remove minus 30 so that b can stand alone, so that we can solve for b. All right, so now see, divide both sides by minus 30 because we want b to stand alone. So you have minus 30b divided by minus 30 equals to 15 over minus 30. So minus 30 will cancel minus 30. You can see b is standing alone now. So you have 15 here 1, 15 here 2. So our answer is b equals minus 1 over 2. That's our final answer. Second question, we are looking for a. We are solving for a. It's an equation. So what do? What do? So we are going to, so in this equation, remember, like I shared with you, in every equation, quadratic, either in every algebra equation, there are some things we want to do. There are 5 things we want to do. Are we going to? The first one is collect the like terms, to cross multiply, to divide both sides by a particular number, to find the LCM, or to open the bracket. So those are the 5 things to solve in algebra. So for this also, each question we now determine what to do. So for this particular question, we are going to collect like terms. Why? Because we have 13, we have 19. A is the only one standing alone. So but for this one, it's together with this is minus 30 multiplied by b, because it's multiplication. That's why we're dividing both sides. But for here, we have a subtraction, so we cannot divide both sides. We can't not divide both sides because it's not multiplication. So we are going to what? Collect like terms. So that means, so 13 minus 13 we come to meet minus 19 here. So we have minus 8 equals minus 19. Then minus 13 we cross. When you cross equality sign, we change to plus 13. So minus 8 equals to minus 13 plus 13. That's minus 6. Remember, you're having 13 and you're owing someone 19. So when you pay your 13, you are still going to be owing 6 left. But now we have our answer cannot be, our A cannot be negative form. So we are going to have to remove the minus. So what do? Divide both sides, both sides by minus 1. So you have a minus a over minus 1 equals minus 6 over minus 2. So minus a minus cancel, minus cancel minus. So therefore, our a equals 6. So now for this last question, minus 5x over minus 3 equals minus 6. Remember? So for this one, what we are going to do is to cross multiply. Why? Because so why we cross multiply? The first thing, there's nothing, we can't collect like terms here, right? We cannot divide both sides here. We can divide both sides, but it will be very cumbersome for us. We can divide both sides by minus 5 over minus 3. That's 5 over minus 3. But it will take a whole lot of time and it will be cumbersome. The solution will be cumbersome. We cannot find the LCM because we're not adding, there's nothing to be added. And there's no bracket to be open. So we are dividing both sides. We are cross multiplying. So we cross multiply. You have minus 5x times 1 minus 5x times 1 equals to minus 3 times minus 6. So you have minus 5x equals minus times minus plus 3 times 3, 18. 6 and 3, 18. Then remember, we are finding x. So how do we remove minus 5? Then divide both sides by minus 5. So you have minus 5x over minus 5 equals to 18 over minus 5. Minus 5 cancel minus 5. So our x is standing out alone. X equals to. How many times will 5 go in 18? That's 3 times. Remainder 3 over 5. Remember, plus divided by minus is minus. So minus 3 over 3 over 5. Thank you.